I also have the ability to manage the project. Things happen on site that you need to be there with the contractor. I was here several times. I would get a call from their contractor and be like, hey, can you stop over today? I have a question about this. Where are we actually going to put this? What do you think? And thinking about how we were going to function and knowing that they didn't really use the dining room, it was more of an office space or it was a schoolroom during COVID, we thought, let's take it and make it a pantry that's functional. The ability for me to be on site gives the homeowner peace of mind. It's really important that I am in sync with the contractor. I go over before demo day, we talk about what we're going to do because sometimes I might have an idea and it may not be able to happen, but we try. And sometimes you don't know until you demo. I pick everything out and I am that liaison with the contractor, making sure that, yes, we do need a plug here. Yes, we're putting a garbage disposal in. And I really take that time if I'm managing the project, helping homeowners reimagine their home one room at a time.